BJP protesters are set to begin their march to the parliament. However, there has been no permission granted. Will Sonam Wangchuk, however, remaining admitted to the Safdarjung hospital, his wife will represent him in protest. Now, these protesters continue to demand the resignation of the education minister over the NEET paper leak. Meanwhile, Delhi police has made their position clear, and according to the police, the CJP neither sought permission for the march nor has any permission been granted for the protest march to the parliament. Now, in an official statement, the DCP of New Delhi has said that any protest march in the area would be strictly prohibited and has elaborated security arrangements that have been put in place. He says that the prohibitory orders under Section 163 of the BNS are in force across the entire New Delhi district, and under these restrictions, the assembly of 5 or more persons, protest marches and demonstrations are prohibited, except at designated protest site of Jantar Mantar, and only that too with prior permission. Now, with what the Delhi High Court had said yesterday, meanwhile declining any grant of any interim relief after Sonam Wangchuk's wife sought permission to shift him to a private hospital of her choice. And as far as the observation came in, saying that there has been no interim order that is required for now. Also saying that Sonam Wangchuk is not under any detention as being claimed by his wife. Let's connect with Kritika on this. So, Kritika, monsoon session of Parliament, and then, of course, when we speak of the CJP protest march, but no permission neither granted nor given.
Well, absolutely. This is the key over here, that the office bearers of the Cockroach Janata Party did not seek, in fact, any permission for the march. And as a result, none has even been given. Currently, around me, you can also see a lot of protesters, in fact, walking towards Jantar Mantar. We can see the tricolour flag waving. They're playing patriotic songs. However, the future of their protest march continues to remain uncertain. On your screens, you can also see, in fact, multiple vehicles of the Delhi police parked in as well. We can see the mobile control, riot control unit as well. There are ambulances, there are the RAF forces deployed in massive numbers in gear. In fact, on the other hand, also you'll be able to see multi-layer barricading that has been done as of this morning, because remember, as you rightly pointed out, the monsoon session of the parliament is also beginning, and the police has cited security reasons as well. So there is, in fact, the security deployment has also beefed up as of early this morning. Now remember, Sonam Wangchuk has made it clear that there are 3 conditions upon which he will break his fast today. He has stated that he will break his fast first if the march is allowed and they're able to reach the parliament and, in fact, submit their representation to the leaders there, and if the members of parliament of the opposition parties, in fact, agree to take up this issue in this session of the parliament. The other is that if his health does not permit, then the opposition leaders must come and meet him at the hospital and assure him that these issues will be taken up in the parliament as well. So, of course, there are multiple sorts of now reactions coming in to even this letter that has been written by activist Sonam Wangchuk. The environmentalist has also pointed out once again, despite the hearing of the Delhi High Court yesterday, wherein they had stated that his shifting from the Jantar Mantar site to the Safdarjung hospital was not arbitrary, was in fact the government was well within their right to do it on account of his dropping health parameters. He has still called his shifting to the Safdarjung hospital as an illegal detention, and he says that his freedom of speech and movement there continues to be restricted. We've also seen that Ms. Geetanjali, his wife, has also in fact approached the Supreme Court now for this same. But as far as the protesters are concerned, they're still right here at the Jantar Mantar spot. It is raining, but they are turning up. They continue to turn up. In fact, whether or not a march will be possible is still something that is in fact open to debate. The police has, however, made it very clear that no march will be taking place as there is no permission, and in fact the 233 section of the BNS will also apply for people who will be stepping out in undesignated areas, which is the area excluding Jantar Mantar, if in groups of 3 or 5. Over to you, Amita.
All right, Kritika, thank you for that update. Of course, we are waiting exactly what happens today, because the New Delhi district virtually has now been fortified. There is a lot of police presence as well, but the CJP protesters continue to camp at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. And now, in the meantime, for our viewers, if you want to catch the news on the move, well, Times Play has you covered. The all-in-one OTT streaming platform that is developed by the Times Network uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with real-time news broadcasting. So you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, which is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.